I'm over it. Hi, my name is Ellie and I am an artist, a makeup artist also. And if you are here watching my video, first of all, thank you so much. Second of all, I'm really awkward. Third of all, I fangirl a lot. Fourth of all, please remember to be kind and also to love yourself. And if I have made you smile at all at any point in this video, then my job here is done. Have a fantastic day. Did I say that weird? Yeah, probably. And please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment, and you can follow me in all my other fancy stuff. Okay, I'm done. Peace. Hi guys. So today we are going to be doing Dark Sailor Moon. I asked on my Instagram, make sure to follow, if you guys wanted to see Dark Sailor Moon or Sailor Mercury. The majority voted for Dark Sailor Moon. I'm still gonna do Sailor Mercury. It's probably gonna be the next video. So like I said, my skin is very dry and I'm gonna give it a little extra love. So I'm going to start with the Tarte Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost. This is like sample size or kind of like a travel size. My skin literally just went because I've been doing a lot of clay masks to dry out the acne, so obviously that's just drying out my skin even more. I'm with the Hourglass number 28 Primer Serum. Oh, actually I said I was not going to film my brows. Bye! But the main players in today's eyeshadow fiasco, drama, I don't know. The eyeshadows I'll be using are from I just put concealer all over this. God, I'm a mess. The Masquerade Mini by Juvia's Palace. It looks like this. It's a great palette actually. And it's stink. This one. These I have used in my channel already before. It is the Kat Von D Saint and Sinner palette and my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette by Priming, and for that I'll be using the NYX eyeshadow base in white. Good. Hey ladies and hey babies. Let's just give the eyeshadows a base for them to go on to, which is usually from me Silk Cream and the Jaclyn Hill palette. Looks like this baby. Okay, M441. I am a good boy. So I'm practically going everywhere with this. Generously. So I'm going to use Sobo, which is this really nice purple pink color right there. And I'm just going to do that by the crease on the outside and on the inside. Going to use a combo of brushes for this, depending on how much detail I need. So it will be between the M433, which is just a smaller, fluffier brush, and the M507, which is a tapered, pointy blending brush. So while I'm here, let's discuss Sailor Moon. So Sailor Moon was my first anime. I did not know that it was an anime. I did not know what an anime was. And honestly, as I was prepping for this tutorial, I realized what an influence this cartoon had in my life. Because two things. First of all, I've always liked doing character makeup. I like makeup for transformation purposes, right? You become somebody else. You can become a character, and a character that you can relate to. For example, Sailor Moon will say, moon power, make up. I literally was like, mind blown. Do you see the connection? They transform. with the power of makeup. I mean, they have magic, right? You see, I feel like by explaining this, I am not emphasizing how important this is. Anyway, I thought it was pretty cool. I'm gonna start deepening all in where it was with the M507. Oh no, Exorcism. It's gonna be good. It's this shade right here at the bottom. I mean, there's that shade over here as well, but this Exorcism is gonna look poppin'. Been blending for like friggin' 20 minutes. Okay, I'm exaggerating, but it's been a while. With the M432, this flat liner brush, again with the angle. Same Exorcism, very close to my lash line. Just going to apply a shimmery eyeshadow in the middle with some Fix It spray. Honestly, I think I'm gonna do Giza, which is very, very, very bright. I'm gonna apply a glitter over that later. Yes, look at that. Sorry, I need to calm down. God, that's blinding. Glitter time. I don't know what that was. Okay. So my glitter glue, well, they actually say eyeshadow primer water resistant, but this stuff, I saw one of my co-workers and friends use this. I was like, oh! For glitter, is the Edit Splash Till Midnight Elixir. It looks like this. It's from Ellie Splash. You see that? It's very fine though. What is it called? Start with crystallized glitter, glitter. I don't know what shade is this, but it looks like that. And the glue goes basically where I put that very bright eyeshadow. Then I grab glitter, side glitter. I'm doing this like this because I cannot open the eye with the glue because I will craze. Do I like this? I don't know. I am not having the reaction that I wanted to have. Okay. I can't open it because it's gonna crease, so it has to dry. What is the song? I don't know the song. Boom shakalaka. Boom shakalaka. Boom shakalaka. Eyeliner gel from Inglot in 77. So, in the interest of time, you know, I'm editing these, I'm finding I'm not using a lot of certain areas that I'm filming everything. So, I'm going to finish off my face, which is pretty much the same routine as other videos. I will come back though for the highlight and the lips. And yeah. And obviously the body paint right here. So, see you soon. Oh look, it's a whole new different person. Oh, I'm very white. I'm gonna highlight her up, and it's gonna be my fave Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighters in Girl Next Door and Chick Freak with the Morphe M510, and I'm applying both generously. She has hot pink lips, and for that I'm going to use the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in Bachelorette. Yeah, love this shade. But first I'm going to line with MAC's Magenta Lip Pencil. NYX Butter Gloss in Strawberry Parfait. Oh my god, I love how these glosses like smell. Yum. She has the Crescent Moon upside down and in black. So for that, I'm gonna clear out some of my beauty stuff right now. For that, I'll be using the Maroon Paradise AQ paints. As usual, they're water activated, and for that I'll use the black. It looks like this. Just spray some water on it, and I'm going to catch my tail painting this Crescent Moon properly. One line is thick. Should not be moving my neck at all through this part. So same paints, I'm just gonna mix some black into my red over here. Beach Berry, sorry, is the name of the color. Maroon Paradise AQ paints. Yungi! Ah! My favorite Korean word is about to come up right now. Pay attention. It means burn it up. It's about to get lit, guys. I can't move my neck. So the pink with, this is actually the beachy red. The beachy red I mix the black in. So the pink is dark pink. So I'm grabbing pink and mix it into the red pot. So I hope this is the right color. Needs to be a little bit more red. Come on. I don't know what this does. I don't know why I'm doing this. No way it dries off the paint any quicker. Dramatic as well. I'm going to grab my trusty Makeup Forever Flash palette, and you probably use mainly the white to start highlighting some areas. Oh my god, that tickles so much. Huh. Okay, breathe. Oh. Holy shit. Okay. I think the main player for today's eyeshadow, at least on the pink, it will be this burgundy eyeshadow by Makeup Geek. It's called Bitten. Ugh, trying to flip it for you. This is it. Make it whistle like a whistle. Blow. Boyfriend, please save me tonight. From the this is the Kat Von D Alchemist palette. On camera, honestly, they're all just gonna look, yeah, white, but it's like iridescent shades. One is more green, purple, blue, pink. So I'm gonna do the purple, which is the violet, and that will give you a nice gem highlight. So I got this wig at Spirit Halloween when I went to Miami. So it's a really nice wig. Does it have a ponytail? Oh. I'm over it. Other than the fact that she has red eyes in the anime, this would have looked sick with red contacts, but I don't have any, and I think that's probably why I'm not 100% satisfied with it. But I know if I had red contacts on, this whole thing would be awesome. But anyway, if I made you laugh or just be like, what the F, throughout this entire video, please like and subscribe, and feel free to comment below if you have any questions, or if you just want to make a request for a character. I will try to accommodate as much as I can, depending on what, you know, props I have and whatnot. And that's it. Black Lady from Sailor Moon. Okay, that's awkward. Okay, have a great day. Blah, 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 blah. Please remember to be kind and love yourself. Cheesy, I know. That's what it is. Bye.